hear like the sound of a bird or squirrel. So once the target is visible, they use their blow dart. They call that sapukan or sumpit. So sa kabila, other side, just look at the drawing board. So back in the mountain, they use poison or lason. So one of the ingredients they use is this one. They call that dipa. So they mix the sap of dita. They mix it to other plants. And now we don't encourage them to hunt because it's our environment is not healthy for hunting.